big picture window in the front was supposed to have side windows that opened, but you could not get them. They were painted shut. I don't know. They would not open. The other one in the living room, I got them open on the sides, but then when you close them, they'd leave at least a 1/4 inch gap unless you went out with a hammer and tapped it, to close them up and stuff like that. And in the winter, we had a real windy storm, and it was blowing through so bad, I put paper towels along the crack to help to keep the wind and stuff from coming through. It was way past time. A young man knocked on my door one day, and that was the first I had heard about it. Brought the windows in and showed them to me, and how they're triple pane windows and how efficient they are and easy to clean. He showed me all the different windows and prices and stuff, and it was a done deal. Oh, they were excellent. They did a great job, went over everything with me, cleaned up everything afterwards. There was no mess left at all. And very quick. They were in and out in a day. I mean, they just very quick. You can really see out. The large window had 5 panes in it, and then we opened it clear up, and so you have nothing obstructing your view. It's so much quieter. I live 3 blocks from the railroad tracks. I've noticed how much quieter it is. And the traffic, the I Street is a busy street, and I don't notice any of that at night. It's just nice and quiet. They made a big difference with that. The heat and cool, it just stays so much more constant with the windows. They've just been a really great blessing. I really like them. They really did a good job trimming them out and, making them fit in and look great. Yeah, I definitely would, and have talked to several different people when they come to see my house and ask about the windows. I just tell them I didn't think I could afford it right now. They have so many plans that they'll work with you and make it so it works out, and so it was affordable, so I could do it. So I was very pleased with them.